a person bought a table and a chair. We don't know the price of a table, so assume it as X, and price of a chair. So sum of these two, it is equal to 18,000. Okay, it is already given. Okay, and he sold the chair at 10% profit. So 10% profit means, if it is actually the cost of a price is 100 rupees, he sold it to 110 rupees. So 110% of Y. In percentage we can take 10% profit na, therefore 100 plus 10, 110% of Y. Now he sold the table at 10% loss. So he sold at 90% of X only. అంటే టేబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఏమో ఎక్స్, చైర్ కాస్ట్ వై. రెండింటినేమో 18,000కి కొన్నాడు. టేబుల్ ఏమో 10% లాస్కి అమ్మాడు. 10% లాస్ అంటే 90% ఆఫ్ ద వాల్యూకి అమ్మేశాడు. చైర్ ఏమో 10% ప్రాఫిట్, అంటే ఉన్న 100 కన్నా కూడా 10% ప్రాఫిట్ కాబట్టి 110% ఆఫ్ ద ఇనిషియల్ ప్రైస్. సో అలా అమ్మితే ఆయనకు వచ్చిందంత 4% ప్రాఫిట్. దేని మీద వచ్చింది? 18,000. 4% ఆన్ ది 18,000. సో దాన్ని 104% ఆఫ్ 18,000 కూడా అనుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నౌ సో వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ table X. Okay, cost price of chair Y. So on table, what is the last percent? That is 10. So what is the selling price? Selling price is equal to, so as loss is 10%, he sold it 90% of X only. So 90 by 100 X. Similarly here, profit percent is equal to 10. So selling price is equal to 100 plus 10, 110% of Y. Therefore 110 by 100 into Y. So we are writing, on cancellation we get 9x by 10, that is the selling price of table, and 11y by 10, it is the selling price of a chair. Okay, now we are going by the problem, what is given. Okay, the cost price of table and chair is equal to 18,000. Now okay, selling price of table plus, so here we are having selling price of table and selling price of chair, it is equal to, so selling price of table plus selling price of chair is equal to, so we got 4% na, 4% on 18,000, so 104. So we can do it. So 0000, so 184 ja, so we got 0, 18 4 ja 720. So 18,000 plus he got 720 profit. Therefore here we can write 9x by 11y by 10 is equal to 18,720. On transposing, 9x plus 11y is equal to, so on transposing we are having another 0, so it is the equation 2. So it is the equation 1. Okay, So by cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication method, so we can find x value, y value and 1. So here we have to write b1, c1, a1, b1. Now b2, c2, a2, b2. Okay, now we are writing. Okay, what is the b1 there? So b1, so what is the equation we are having? X plus y is equal to 18,000 and 9x plus 11y is equal to 1,87,000, okay, 200. So I'm getting here. Okay, so what is the b1? b1 1. What is the c1? So actually c1, here we are having c1 on transposing na, so it will be having negative sign, 18,000. Okay, what is the a1? 1. What is b1? 1. Now b2 value 11, c2 minus 1,87,200 and a2 9, b2. Okay, so we are having the formula. So here we have to multiply these two, and from this one we have to subtract. Okay, it is in numerator and it will be in denominator. Okay, so I'm writing x is equal to, so changing, so x is equal to 1 into 1,87,200, so minus 1,87,200, so minus of 11 into 18,000 to 11. It is the numerator. Okay, in the denominator we are having 1 11 ja 11 minus 1 9 ja. Okay, so minus 1,87,200 minus, we are having 000, 18 into 11, so 18, 11, 8 and 1 9, so 198,000. 18 into 11 we got 198, we are having 000, so add 3 zeros. Okay, as it is negative na, so it will become positive. Okay, by 11 minus 9, 2. So from 1,98,000 we have to subtract 1,87,200. 0 0, 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 7, 0, so 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, x value 10,800 by 2, so therefore 2 5 ja 2 4 ja 0 0, x value we got 5,400. So it is the cost of table. So to get the cost of chair, okay, x plus y is equal to 18,000 na, subtract 5,400. Okay, so 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 1. So y is equal to 18,000 minus 5,400 y is equal to 12,600. So it is the cost of a chair, it is the cost of table, and it is the cost of a chair. Thank you.